welcome back to my channel. I know I have not been active in a very long time. This has been a crazy couple of months. I think later on this week I'll do like a fun like wine get ready with me and kind of just give like a life update on everything that's been going on. But I moved, and so that's why I haven't been filming, because my filming space is still like not really set up. I recently got a PR package from Revlon, which I'm super excited about. So I'm just gonna do a little unboxing, kind of show you guys some of the products. I'm gonna start off with this little pamphlet. So it's just a pamphlet with all the goodies that they sent, kind of breaking them down. It's super cute. This is Summer Sound Off. This summer you call the shots with bold makeup looks and the season's hottest songs, handpicked by Revlon's brand ambassadors and partners, which are Megan Thee Stallion, Ashlyn Graham, Sophia Carson, Lauren Gray. Push beauty boundaries with some of our fierce makeup favorites this summer for big lashes, standout eyes, brilliant lips, and glowing skin. And then it has like this QR code that you can scan to check out like a summer playlist. So first of all, it has this cute bag, which I'm definitely gonna use for summer. It says Revlon at the bottom. It's a good like beach bag, super cute. Then it has some playing cards, which I think, and again, it has that QR code that you can scan. Super cute. Cute playing cards. Love that. This is a AirPod little case. And I lost my AirPods when I was moving to Florida, actually. So, but yeah, this is super cute. It's a little AirPod case. It says Revlon on it. It's in the shape of lips. Now we can get on to all the goodies. 3 eyeshadow palettes, which I am like super excited about. These are their Revlon So Fierce Prismatic palettes. It says here there's a crystal-like pigments and a velvet smooth texture for charged up color. $10.99 is the retail of these. Super pretty. Let's give you another look without the glare. Super pretty colors. For this video, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this one. This one's called Clapback / Reposite. Let's just go ahead and make a quick little look just to try these out, you know? I'm gonna test this out. I'm gonna go in with this little brownie shade. This in the outer corner first and then kind of bring it in. Already I can tell that these are very pigmented shadows. I mean, I've only used one, but they just seem like I barely dipped my brush in. And they're blending really nicely. This lighter shade here. I'm just gonna use that to kind of buff out. Then I'm going to go on to these purples, these really pretty purples. So I'm going to put that in the inner corner. And then I'm gonna go in with that darker purple and kind of just plop that right in the center. I think that looks like really pretty. Some more of that purple. And then I'm gonna take that lighter shade and plop that right in the inner corner. Okay. They sent over 3 of the Chrome Ink liquid liners in the shade Gunmetal, Bronzage, and Ultraviolet Foil are the 3 shades that they sent. Okay, so this is in Gunmetal. This is in Bronzage. Oh, it goes on really smooth. That's super pretty. Ooh, I can't wait to use that. And then this is the Ultraviolet Foil. Super cute. So I think I'm going to use Gunmetal. And I am going to just... I really like these. I think I would just do a look like just with a line. Next, they sent this mascara, which is new. It's the Revlon So Fierce Big Bad Lash Mascara. Extreme volume and lash tint effect is the claim that it has. If you've been following me, you know that I have the worst lashes in the world. You can barely see my lashes. That's what it looks like. Let's give this a go and see how this goes. So no mascara. I like the brush for some of their lipsticks, which I'm super excited about these. So these are their Color Stay Satin Ink liquid lip colors, and they sent me 4 colors. We have, this is Seal the Deal. Ooh, that texture. It's very nice. Look how, that's such a pretty pink. So we have Seal the Deal. This is Up All Night. It's a purple. I think that's the one I'm about to put on. It's like this deep plum purple, super pretty. We have a red. Ooh, I'm excited about this. This is My Own Boss. My Own Boss. So we have this like mauvey pink, which is Your Majesty. So let's see here. Ooh, that's really pretty too. I really like, these are perfect, I think, in my opinion, for all skin tones also. They're just perfect summer colors. I think that's what I'm like most excited about. Okay, so let me go ahead and use the color. I'm gonna use the color Up All Night, which is that purple color. I think that's what would go best with what I did. Okay, goes on very smooth. Without like the feeling of lip gloss, you know, but it still has like the shine. Look how shiny my lips are. It doesn't have any sort of a scent. It feels very like, just very lightweight on the lips, which I love. It's not drying down completely, so I assume that you'd have to touch it up during the day or throughout the day. I haven't worn it for a day yet, so I'll definitely update you guys as I am wearing them. Scent, this is a Rose Glow Mist, Prep, Hydrate, and Refresh. Awaken skin for extra hydration and a boosted glow. It smells so refreshing. Oh my gosh, wow, that's nice. All right guys, well that's pretty much it. I'm excited to continue using these and letting you know like what I think about them, but I'm super excited. Thank you so much to Revlon for sending me this summer package, and I hope to continue being more active on my channel. I have a lot going on. Again, I'll be doing another video soon, kind of filling you guys in on my life. But yeah, if you stayed this far, thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye guys.